What is going on, everybody? Dart here from Scaler Fab and COS Crawler. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from what we do on the channel normally because I just got this big old box from Scaler Fab. So today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing, seeing what's inside of here, and then maybe installing some parts on some trucks. Stay tuned. All right, well, let's tear into this thing and see what we got. I am super excited for this. New parts day is always a good day. Got stickers. Can never go wrong, can never have too many stickers. I love it. Got some hardware. Very nice, very nice. I'm gonna set all of this to the side for now. All right, first part. By the way, all of these parts are handmade. Hand cut metal, hand welded, hand painted, everything is handmade. It is just very impressive what they can do. So this one looks to be a roll bar for the TF2 that I have. I opted to go with the spare tire mount. I like the look of that. I like having a spare tire because I've actually used them before. So first one out of the way there. Next one. This is actually going to be for my dad's rig. He got the Axial XCX10 JLU for Christmas. So this is the front bumper with the push bar. Again, everything handmade, welded, painted, all in-house. Another roll bar with the tire mount. I have 4 TF2s, so a lot of these parts are going to be the same. Ooh. Look at these sliders, guys. How pretty are these? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to install these. So, rock sliders with the optional plate on the very bottom. Helps slide across rocks and debris on the trail a lot better. Doesn't get hung up on the center bars here. Beautifully packaged, I should say, by the way, too. Another one for my dad's truck. This is the rear bumper for the Axial SCX10. I can already tell you this is going to be a breeze to mount. This is not going to be a long video at all. Make my job easy. Another rear bumper for the TF2. Very excited to get that installed. I've been waiting on that part to complete that new build that I started. Another bumper for the normal TF2. Look at the welding on that. It's amazing. Wish I could weld that good. Another set of sliders, again with the optional plates on the bottom for the TF2 by RC 4-wheel drive. Last set, again, I've got 4 TF2s, so a lot of these parts are going to be the same. And lastly are the rails for my dad's SCX10 III. And that's the unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to follow, check us out, Scaler Fab, COS Crawler on Instagram. Check out Scaler Fab's YouTube channel. And look forward to installing some parts on the trucks.